Hello viewers, thanks for your support. In our channel, we are continuously discussing about fire protection engineering. Today also we are going to cover an interesting topic. Let's see, let's move. This is the topic today, obstruction column rule, confusions on NFE 13. In our channel, usually we are discussing about design concept or reason behind the design. But today, a little bit different. We are going to cover uh, we are going to analyze the particular section in NFE 13. So what is that section? That section regarding with obstruction of column rule. The person who are aware about the sprinkler system design, that person definitely know about obstruction rules from NFA 13. So beam rule, duct rule, column rule. So column obstruction column rule is a part of obstruction rule. You can see this image. So sprinklers are located. This is a column. The sprinkler located nearby the column. During the time of fire, if the sprinkler getting activated, the water discharge pattern will hit on the face of the column. So if it is hit here means in the opposite side of the column, this area will getting dry areas. So due to this dry, it may have a possibility to get fire spreading. So this is a reason we need to maintain some particular distance from column to sprinkler. So what is the distance we need to maintain? That is already articulated in NFA 13. So that is called obstruction column rule here. Let me share my another screen. This is a section, Automatic Sprinkler System Handbook 2019 edition, section number 10.2, 2.7.2.1.3. So what this total section convey to us means, I summarized this one. One is 3-time rule. Another one is center line to half of the distance rule. So what is 3-time rule? 3-time rule. What is 3-time rule means? So what is the maximum distance of the obstruction? Here C and D. Sprinkler to obstruction distance, we need to maintain 3 times. If it is column dimension is maximum dimension is 500 mm means we need to maintain 1500 mm sprinkler to column distance. That is called 3-time rule. Then what is center line into half of the distance rule? This rule mentioned here. Okay, sprinkler shall be permitted to be spaced on opposite side of the obstruction, not exceeding 1.2 meter width, where the distance from the center line of the obstruction to the sprinkler does not exceed one half of the allowable distance between the sprinklers. This rule same as like a sprinkler to wall distance. Sprinkler to wall distance, how we can design. So maximum sprinkler to sprinkler sprinkler, like if it is light as or means we can use sprinkler to sprinkler maximum distance as 4.6 meter. So half of the distance 2.3 meter. So sprinkler to wall distance 2.3 meter. So same that we need to maintain here also. But there are two restrictions. One is the width of the obstructions, width of the column, maximum of 1.2 meter. Another one is we need to make a measurement from center line of the obstruction, center line of the column. So these two restrictions we need to keep on our mind. First, my confusions about this centerline to centerline rule. So here sprinklers are positioned already. This is a column and this is a center line of the column. So as per that rule, this is the lighters are spacing. So as per that rule, we have maintaining sprinkler to center line with maximum of 2.3 meter distance. So if it is lighters or means sprinkler to sprinkler maximum distance 4.3. So I consider this maximum of 2.3 meter. So it is less than 2.3 meter. It is acceptable. But how we are measuring from here to the center line, sprinkler to the center line, I'm making the center line. So if you are facing scenario like this, we can simply apply this rule. There is no problem. But if you are facing this kind of situation means, how we can apply this rule? Because here the sprinklers are located apart from the column. So if you want to make measurements from center line to sprinkler means it getting diagonal, but nowhere in NFA 13 in the in this column rule, nowhere mention about nowhere shown, nowhere mention about this diagonal measurements. So this is confusion number one on this center line rule. So another one, prime main one, three time rule. Sprinklers are positioned already. This is a column, so it contains 1000 mm, 1 meter column. This one. So I made the sprinklers with 4.5 into 4.5 spacing. So it contained maximum 20 square meter spacing, light hazard. So you can see here, sprinkler to sprinkler to this column distance maximum of it contained 2.3 meter, but we need to maintain but we need to maintain 3 meter, because 3 time rule means here column contain 1000 mm 1 meter, but then we need to maintain 3 meter, because we need to multiply this 1 meter means we can get 3 meter, but here it is getting 2.3 meter only. So if you want to make 3 meter means what will happen? Like this happen. So if we want to make 3 meter means the sprinkler to sprinkler distance will getting exceed. So it contain 5.2 meter into 5.2 meter. So it seems like it is violation. Sprinkler to sprinkler distance maximum of a light hazard we can go up to 4.6 meter, but here it is 5.2 meter. This is violation. So you can understand this one. If you want to comply with the sprinkler to sprinkler maximum rule means the column rule will violation. If you want to comply the column rule means the maximum sprinkler to sprinkler distance rule will violation. So it containing contradiction. So this is another one confusions from my side I faced. So I'm not telling this is a bug from NFA. Maybe my it may be my understanding mistakes. I don't know. I'm not sure. But if anyone knows, please leave on the comment section, because I tried a lot. I read many documents from internet. So I discussed with many engineers, but I'm not getting any proper satisfied answers. So if you know, please put on comment section. This is my confusion. So thank you very much.